Hey everybody, so I have another Guess What's in the Box video. It's from Acme Tools, so please stick around, check out the box, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching and playing along. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so today we have a large Acme Tools box. It doesn't sound like what's in it is very large, but the dimensions of the box is 11 and 5/8 wide by 11 and 7/8 long by 9 and 3/8 tall. What do you guys think is in this box? I will give you a hint. It is red. It is a pipeline item. Just to give you guys a couple hints. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and playing along with these videos. I still do them to provide content to the channel as well as pique people's interests. It is a new tool I got for the channel, as well as, I could use it. But I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Leave comments down below what you think it is. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And at the very top of the description, I also have an Ulsa Tools link. If you guys use that link, you can get 10% off of your order from Ulsa Tools, as well as it kicks me back availability to get 10% off of my next order from Ulsa Tools. I do appreciate your guys' time. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and thank you guys so much for watching. Peace!